so we had some technical difficulties at the start of this afternoon session here. Some wiring issues on the kayak, just needed to be patched up, and then I also found one of those night herons wrapped up in some fishing line in a tree. So spent some time getting him all cut out. Looked like he'll be fine. Didn't look like his wing was broken. It was just his wing stuck. Didn't look like he was there for too long, but make sure you guys always pick up your extra fishing line, because that's like the saddest thing, is seeing any of the wildlife wrapped up in it. There was actually a kid and his dad who pointed it out to me as I was launching the kayak, because it was on the backside of a tree, so they were on shore and couldn't get to it. But thank you to you guys for pointing that out. Appreciate it. But yeah, like I said, late start today. Gonna run the bank here. Oh, there we go. Oh. First little fish of the day. Just going with my confidence bait, that little finesse jig. But yeah, stay tuned. Should be a fun one. Hopefully they get bigger than that. Mention that's Nick. He's here. It's his birthday. Number 2. That little finesse jig. Oh, dude, that one ate it right when it hit the water. Feels like a better one. Stay on there, baby. Oh, that's why it's a fat catfish. Gross. Yeah, did I mention it's windy today? Beautiful little channel cat. That was pretty rad. He ate it as soon as it hit the, like, I cast it into, no joke, maybe 2 inches of water. I'm pooping on the kayak. And as soon as it hit the water, it must have hit the bottom pretty quick, obviously, but I didn't even move it. He just grabbed it real fast. Beautiful little channel. Not our intended species, but always welcome in my opinion. Corner of the mouth there. He's talking to me. All right. See ya, buddy. I wonder if they can smell the catfish slime on my bait. Here. It's coming up weird. Oh, no way. Uh-oh. Someone's bummed. That looks like a phone. Oh, man, on the crankbait? What? What a weird day it's been so far. Gosh. Oh, don't see that every day. Not so waterproof now, huh? Yeah, what in the comments down below, what's the weirdest thing you've ever snagged? I don't think I've ever snagged a phone before. I've seen them at the river when I go and dive the river, just messing around. Seen them laying at the bottom of the river, but never got one on hook and line before. Oh, that was definitely a bite. Oh, the fish just jumped. Did you hear that? Oh, dang. All right, well, first, maybe I did get bit over there. That was the same thing, just swiped at it, pulled the hook, and then the fish jumped thinking it was still hooked. That looked like a decent one too. Definitely not one of those tiny first fish. Uh-oh. I have to crank today. Alright, I have a plan. There's a little cut right here. It's got a couple of herons. Looks like they're grabbing some bait fish. So I'm going to go in here and throw this little popper. If I get a bite, in shallow, awesome. If not, I'm going to commit to throwing that deep crank. I did just get maybe two bites. And caught a phone. I don't even know if you guys can hear me with this freaking wind, but got this little finesse popper. Trying to match the little bass fry swim around in the shallows here. Let's run this real quick. Nice. Collision course. Just gotta net them because I don't like dealing with the treble hooks. Nice. There we go. Oh my god. Cattails in the mouth. That was rad, just watching them swirl on it. There we go, a little bit better sized fish. I mean, that fish is literally right where that heron or egret, whatever the heck that thing was sitting. So that just kind of shows you, pay attention to the birds. They tell you a lot. That was cool. Little cold weather, unexpected topwater fish. Sweet. Thanks, buddy. Oh man, that was fun. This is a new setup that I just tried out this morning. Like I was saying, I went down shore fish with this little popper. I caught two, but it's the Californian from Turner's Tackle, and then I got just the 13 Fishing Blackout spinning rod on here with 10-pound braid, the 12-pound fluoro, and this setup is sweet. Relatively inexpensive too, honestly. I think these rods are like 120, 130 bucks, and the reel's like 70 or something like that. But I just needed a couple of inexpensive rods to fill some little niche baits that I didn't like throwing on my more expensive stuff. And I like it. Recommended. Oh, no freaking way. Ah, dude. So bad on frog legs. Oh, he's swirling. Yo, what up?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Huh?
I said, how's it going? Any luck?
I've caught two very small ones on Senkos.
Nice. I hooked a good one on the deep crank and lost it, and then I just got one on the popper.
Did you?
Yeah. And then I got bit.
Dude, maybe I'll try a popper.
I got bit on the frog too, but I just pulled the hook. Oh my gosh. Hold it. Oh, I just caught the tiny, like I just caught a fish that was the same size as my deep crank. What do we have here? A stick. Not a phone this time, just a stick. Go. Dingfest. Almost right where he should have been though. He's gone. Really hard to find a big one right now. The little ones are everywhere. God, another dink. In a row right off of that point, so let's see if there's a bigger one down there. That was insane. That was freaking insane. Yeah, Nick! Ew! Got a good one. That bite was so sick. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see on the GoPro, but I tried to flip that walking bait underneath. Spot lock. That little that eucalyptus branch, but it went right through. So I wasn't even watching my bait, so I missed the first blow up. I didn't even see it. I just saw the swirl. I was just walking the bait, or like snapping it, trying to get it off of that one little twig, and that fish ate it, pulled the line down from that twig for me. So that was freaking rad. Oh man. Yes. Yes. Man, that's a good fish. Smoked that thing. Ew. All right, see you later. There she gone. So Nick tied on a little walking bait. Oh yeah, dude, that looks.
Look at.
Yeah, it's definitely like some sort of like ick or something.
The other side's healthy.
Hold her up for the camera. Dude, that's a thick one.
Yeah, she's thick.
She a thick girl.
She a thick girl.
Alright, well, we found how to not catch dinks. I don't know if the camera can see that. Sick.
That's a healthy fish.
Nice one, man. Minus the growth.
Yeah, well, I don't know what that is, but look how thick she's so filled
That's like,
out.
whoa, that's like another just shy of 5-pounder probably, huh?
Yeah.
So feisty.
452.
Nice.
There.
Drops. Alright, so one just shy of 5 and then a 4.5.
Thanks,
Nice
birthday.
Fish.
Birthday fish. Goodbye, I love you.
Oh shit, ow. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up there. Got some plans later this evening, so I gotta head back in. But that turned out to be super fun. Caught that one good one, missed a couple of other good ones, but yeah, just a little rusty today it seemed like, but stoked I landed that one good fish on that topwater bait. That was such a cool bite. But yeah, I'm gonna head back out tomorrow, and now I have a better idea of, you know, what's working and what's not. So I think if I get out here a little earlier, I think the weather's gonna be a little more stable tomorrow. I think we can actually get some good fish. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next one. Later.